Hello, my name is Ryan and I'm one of the creators of InsightX. Today I just wanted to show you how to create an invoice and how to go through the process and show you what the options you have for that are. And with the beta sign up, we will need a partner code in your partner code section to actually open up an invoice, and that just helps us make sure that we have everybody that's invited in to actually try out the site for the beta, to actually give it a go instead of just having anybody randomly come in for right now. But first off, we'll start off with clicking the Pay Now button, and I have put a partner code in. And here you have a couple options. You can choose to use the Coinbase Commerce option or Coin Payments option. With Coin Payments, you have these options here for different currencies that you can pay in. And then on your Coinbase, you have a few here. And then you also have the options to subscribe for 1 year at a time, 6 months at a time, or 1 month. And then you do have the monthly fee here that you'll see, and then the actual total amount that you would be paying if you paid for that subscription. So let's first I'll fire up a Coinbase Commerce option, and I'll just put down BTC. With Coinbase Commerce, it's actually, whenever you create one, it will allow you to pay in any form, but any of those currencies. But we'll click on the link and go there, and you'll see what you get here. You do have the different options to pay. Um, and like I was saying, you can choose whichever one you'd like, but it's always going to convert to exactly how much it was going to be. So you won't get here, and then if you had clicked BTC before, it wouldn't have mattered. Um, but then let's also create a coin payments one. So we'll do coin payments, and this one will be specific to the currency that you create. So I create me a coin payments here, and it shows you the USDC and gives you the price and everything here. So then click on the link, and this is what your coin payments option will look like. It'll give you the exact amount to send, um, how much you sent and how much you sent and how much you have left to send. Gives you a certain amount of time that you have to send that, and you have this other information here. So once that's all gone through, and let me reload the page real quick, you will have a running ledger of all of your different invoices here, and you can see that it's new and it's not paid yet, and you can also see that this is expired. So that means once you actually have paid, it'll show you your time here and give you your time ticking in terms of how long you have left on your left on your subscription. And you can always go back to these different URLs. So if you want to close out of the page and you're waiting to see if everything had gone through, you can go ahead and click on that, and I'll take you back to your page here. And this will always also be a way for you to have a consistent list of your receipts as well for whenever you have paid, with a timestamp and everything like that. And it'll be a nice way to keep up with everything. Alright, well, that's going to be it for this video, and I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next one.